Hello Didi, right after 14 days from today, I shall go to Shani Mandir to offer a puja.
But Tanvika, right after 14 days from today, it is not Saturday, it is Thursday.
Is it Haru Didi? Wait, let me check the calendar in my mobile.
No need, Tanvika. I can say the day of the week if you tell me any date. It may be any day.
Then Didi, tell me what will be the day after 10 days from today?
Tanvika, today is Thursday, so after 10 days it will be Sunday.
How can you calculate it so correctly?
Do you want to learn it, Tanvika?
Yes, of course Didi.
Then come on, check in the board. So, I have written all of the days of the week and we will give it a number. So, Sunday is 0, Monday is 1, Tuesday is 2, Wednesday is 3, Thursday is 4, Friday is 5, and Saturday is 6. Now, you told me that you will go to the Shani Mandir after 14 days from today. So, I will write 14. Then, I will check what day today is. Like, today is Thursday, so 4. I will add 4 to it. It is 18. Now, the trick is after adding how many days, you add the number which we have written by telling it to the date and then dividing it by 7. If I divide 18 by 7, it will be 2. The remainder is 4. So, after 14 days, it will be Thursday. As Thursday is 4, it will be Thursday.
Didi, what will be the days after 20 days?
20 days? Okay. So, I will write 20 here and add, as today is Thursday, I will add 4. 24. Now, I will divide 24 by 7. 3, 21. So, the remainder is 3. So, after 20 days, it will be Wednesday. As the remainder is 3 and the number of Wednesday is also 3, then after 20 days from today, it will be Wednesday. So, did you understand the calculation, Tanvika?
Yes.
So, my little friends, the trick behind finding out the day of the week of any days is assume Sunday as 0, Monday as 1, Tuesday as 2, Wednesday as 3, Thursday as 4, Friday as 5, and Saturday as 6. First of all, we will put the number as listed here, like Sunday as 0, Monday is like that. As today is Thursday, I will write 4. Now I will add the number of days after what I want to know the day of the week. Like after I want to know the day after 10 days. It will be 14. Now I will divide 14 by 7 to the remainder is 0. So after 10 days it will be Sunday. Today is Thursday, 13th of February. So after 10 days, it will be Sunday, 23rd of February. So my little friends, check the calendar and you'll get to know that the 16th of February is Sunday. Get ready to enjoy your holiday Sunday, the 16th of February. So Tanvika, have you learned it?
Yes.
Can you show it to your friends?
Yes, Didi.
You can.
Yes.
Very good. So, my little friends, that's all for today. Kindly tell me if you could learn this trick, and my respected senior viewers, if you like this video, please share it with your little ones so that they could learn this trick and use it in their everyday life. So, Tanvika, come on, let's read bye to our little friends. Bye!